Alaikum and good morning to all. It's week 6, lecture 1 of the chapter Deep into the Earth. Before starting the chapter, we start drilling off words to learn. Crust, mantle, core, tectonic plates, innermost layer, outermost layer. Now we start reading of the chapter. So open the book and start reading with me. Our galaxy is comprised of many different planets, moons, and stars, and the Sun. Among them, only Earth is found to have conditions suitable for living things. This is mainly because of the existence of air and water. The Earth's habitat gives us some other special feature also that make our life possible on Earth. Now, it's time for explanation. We know that our galaxy is composed of different planets, moons, stars, and sun. And we also know that all of them do not have life. Only Earth has the possibility of life due to favorable conditions, like Earth have air and water. Our Earth is composed of one-third water and rest is land. Students, can you observe the onion? You can see in the slide that onion have layers just like the fresh cream cake. Also have layers. Our earth is also have layers. Now we start reading of our next heading, that is search in. Search in. Earth has great mysteries inside it. There are three main layers of the earth that play major role in the functionality of it, such as the gravity. Now learning well, we dig soil to sow seed, but there are a number of different elements residing thousands of kilometers deep down the earth. It is nature's surprise that we get amazing and useful things from inside the earth. It seems like earth is just a big ball rotating around the sun, but the fact is that earth is composed of several layers just like an onion, and these layers get closer and denser as we move down towards the center of the earth. These layers are named as the crust, the mantle, and the core. Now, as you can see in the picture of the earth, that how it now I will the layer of the earth, as you can see, it is composed of crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Now I will show you the model of the earth. Students, I will show you the model of a earth. As you can see that one-third portion of the earth is covered with water. This is the outermost layer that is called crust. Most of the countries and mostly the countries and the whole world is situated in that layer. That is called the crust. The moon, the trees, the jungle, the water, all of them are here on this uppermost part of the earth, that is called the crust. Now the second layer is called mantle. The mantle is the second layer of the earth. It is 1800 miles deep. It is composed of mostly silicate rocks, types of different silicate rocks, and by the collision of that silicate rock, the structure of the earth is gradually changes. Somewhere we saw the mountain, and some places we saw deep trenches. Now the third layer is called the core, which is divided into two, inner core and outer core. This is the hottest most layer of the earth. Its temperature is about 5000 to 6000 degree centigrade, and it is composed of liquid molten lava. Sometime it will come out through the volcanoes. Now we read about the layers one by one. we start reading of the first heading, that is the crust. Now start reading with me. The crust. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Upon this layer we live. Seawater exists over this layer. It is made up of several different elements like oxygen 47%, silicon 27%, aluminium 8%, and iron 5%. Earth crust is made up of massive pieces of land called tectonic plates that float over the second layer mantle of the earth. When these layers collide with each other, earthquakes occur. When the plates collide and deep trenches and other plates slide under another plate form a mountain. Now it's time for explanation. It is the outermost layer composed of seawater having different gases like oxygen 47%, silicon 27%, aluminium 8%, iron 5%. This crust is made up of layers called tectonic plates. When these plates or layers collide, earthquakes occur. They are responsible for making deep trenches or form mountains. Now, the question is, what is earthquake? A sudden violent shaking of the ground causing great destruction. As a result, earth crust or volcano eruption caused. Now we start reading of the next heading, that is the mantle. Mantle is the second layer of the earth. It is around 1,800 miles deep and yet the middle one beneath the crust. Tectonic plates very slowly float over this layer. This lower portion The lower portion of this layer is much hotter than the upper part. Mantle is mostly made up of silicate rocks that rises due to the intense heat from the core. It is believed to be the reason of volcanic eruption on the crust when these silicate rocks rises and collide with the crust. Movement of molten mantle creates earth magnetic field. This protects against certain harmful radiation from the sun. Now it's time for explanation. This is the second layer after crust. Mantle is mostly made up of silicate rocks. They are of different types as you can see in the picture. The lower part is hotter than the upper. The volcano's eruption also performed due to the rise of temperature in the silicate rocks, and that movement of rock create magnetic field which protect our earth from harmful radiation of the sun. Now students, come to the next heading, the core. So open your book. Core. Core is the innermost layer of the earth. It is composed of outer core. It is molten and made up of nickel and iron. Inner core. It is a solid and surrounded by liquid outer core. The inner core is the hottest part of the earth. Its temperature is about 5,000 to 6,000 degrees centigrade. Now it's time for explanation. As we done the reading, the core is divided into two layers, inner and outer core. The outer core is molten and made up of nickel and iron. The inner core is solid and surrounded by liquid. The inner is very hot. Its temperature is about 5,000 to 6,000 degrees centigrade. Now students, it's time for summary. As I told you that the earth is composed of outer crust, then mantle, and then inner and outer core. As you can see in the picture of the earth, it is composed of 1/3 portion with water and the rest is land. Now it's time for assignment. Do reading of the chapter. Do learn words to learn. Make title page of the chapter in your copy.